Good morning, students of Learn History with Thomas Sir. So, today we are going to cover the reconciliation statement of cost accounting. This cost accounting subject of SEM 3 of the BAF department, or we can say BAF course. So, I don't know, and also we are covering this with the BCom, BBI, BMS, and all are having this cost accounting reconciliation statement is my knowledge what I am having, hopefully. So let's start with the reconciliation statement. This is the sheet introduction that could help you to find there is a cost accounting and financial accounting difference. So net profit is in cost accounting is 1 lakh and in financial account is 1 lakh 7,000, and material in both is 25,000, so there is no difference. Base also 30,000, there is no difference. Factory overhead at cost accounting is 12,000 and financial account is 50,000. So what is the difference is minus 3,000 difference. And then office overhead is 20,000 and in financial account is 18. So 2,000 is the balance. If we see the recording in the stock cost account and financial account, and then there's the closing stock which is 12,000 1,000. Therefore the 1,000 is the minus 1,000 is the difference, and the notional expense that is 4,000 and there's 0 financial account is 0. So the notional expense is 4,000. So the difference coming together, if we minus, we see 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 minus 3, 11 minus 3,000 plus 4,000 4, 11 minus 4 7,000 is the remaining. This is how we find the difference in the reconciliation statement between the cost profit and financial profit for the year ending. So this is a performer. How? So according to the cost profit given, and we have to find the financial profit by finding add-on list. And if cost account plus cost profit is given to find financial profit, we should first add the income credited only in financial account, which should be added in cost accounting. Closing stock overvalued in financial accounts only, we have to add it in cost accounting. Opening stock undervalued in financial accounting, which we have to add it. What are recorded in financial account should be added in cost profit also. Then only we will get the answer. Depreciation undercharged in financial account, that is should be added to the cost account of it. Overhead over recovered in cost accounting should be added. Expenses debited only in cost accounting should be added. What should be less? Expenses rolled per position should be less. Debited only in financial account should be less. Closing stock undervalued in the financial account should be less. Opening stock overvalued in financial account should be less. Depreciation overcharged in financial account should be less. Overheads under recovered in cost accounting should be cost sheet is supposed to be less. Income credited only in cost sheet should be less. Then we will find the financial profit. So it will be given in the question that the cost profit is this. So you have to find the financial profit. This is how we find. There's a simple technique for this that our ma'am has told us. This is it. I am opening in Google Sheet. Let it open so that we can do the changes in that document. Yes. So here comes the question number 1. The question number 1 is the simplest in this chapter. If I say about the chapter, see. So let's read the question first, and accordingly we can do the answer. I'll help you out using the T format. This is the financial account and cost account. Let's read the question first. The net profit of a company for the year ended 31st March 2014 was 56,600, which is the financial profit. So it would come in this. Financial profit would come in the one some technical issues which the amount is 56,600. So it is the net profit. Net profit given is will be the pin financial profit, that is 56,600. So the financial account, the cost accounts disclose a profit of 59,650 is down for the same period. How the difference come? So we are going to check that. On an examination of both the sets of accounts, the following facts were discovered. So discount written off in financial account, that is 1,500, which is minused from financial account. So that should be added. 1,500 should be added to financial account. Transfer fees received during the year 200. This transfer fees received should be minused. This is not recorded in the cost account. Depreciation charge in financial account is 750. So you have to add it in the financial account. Depreciation recovered in the cost statement 1,000. That should be minus. So now next question is opening stock as on 1st April 2017 financial record is 30,000. So 30,000 would be added, debited. Debit would come in this end. So opening stock and as per cost account is 12,000. It will minus, then the 1,000 would be added in financial account in opening stock. You have to add and minus when there's two rupees given, two cost given for a particular opening stock or closing stock. You have to then the credit side there the closing stock would come. So credit closing stock 14,000 and 15,000. So when we minus it, 14 and 15, minus would be add in cost accounting. So in cost accounting we will add the closing stock. It should be added in 1,000 would be added. So it's added, and let's see the final so the final answer 26,000. 1,500 return off would be added, then the opening stock would be added, closing stock would be added. When we add these three entries, it would be 3,500. So 6,600 plus 6,500 is 60,100. Then we will less the transfer fees and depreciation 200 and 250. It's minus 450. So costing profit is 59,650. Okay. So next we are going to see the second sum. Net loss as following. From the following, prepare a statement of reconciliation. Find out the profit or loss as per financial records. So we have to do it according to financial record. First, The net loss as per cost records, that is 1,70,400. That is a net loss. So we will do see the costing loss. This net loss as per cost record. So it is costing loss. That is 1,72,400. Next, work overhead under recovered in costing. So it should be added in finance account. So it would come in 3,120 would be added in financial account. See this this is T in the see a T shape, which would be when we are doing something. I have to first minus and add. Then as cost account should be minus and add. Then financial account should be add or minus because we have to find a profit loss per financial account. So it would be add and minus. So second, work overhead under recovered in costing. So it should be added in financial account. Administrative overhead over recovered in costing. It should be debited or should be minus from costing account. Overhead is over recovered more. So it should be minus from financial account. Depreciation in financial account should be added in financial account. 11,200. 1,700 should be minus as it is administrative overhead. Depreciation in cost account only. So it should be added in minus in cost account debit. See 12,500. Interest received in 8,750 as it is income. In the debit side should be minus from financial account as it is an income. Obstinate loss in financial account should be added in financial account to the loss or expenses and losses come in debit and incomes comes in credit. Same goes in this same. Provision for income tax that should be added in the financial account. So opening stock and closing stock. So let's see, the opening stock is 52,600. 52,600. Oh, 52,600 is this. 52,600 is the first financial account. Cost accounting is 50,000 and 50,400. So if we compare, greater is this. So 600, 1,400, 1,400 would be the difference that would be coming, and it should be minus in the less account. 1,400 should be less in the overvalued in the costing account as it is. As we know, that is not we have to take both the account which is greater and lesser. We have to less we should less from the lesser part from the greater part, and what the balance would be if it comes in debit side of the minus side of cost account should be in the less part. If it comes in the add part of the financial account, then it will be add part. So second, closing stock, we will see the closing stock now. That is क्वेश्चन आने दो. सो मैं भी मैं इंग्लिश में बोल रहा था तो आपको मालूम पड़ा कि मालूम नहीं, उसके लिए मैं हिंदी में बोलने वाला अभी. सो अभी क्लोजिंग स्टॉक आया 52,000 और कॉस्टिंग आया 49,600. सो 52,000 माइनस 49,600, 2,400 ऐड माइनस होगा इसमें लेस में of the this Q reconciliation Q 49,600 और 52,000. So 49 को माइनस करेंगे 55,200, सो डिफरेंस है 2,500 जो है वो माइनस में आएगा. सो माइनस में आएगा. सो अभी एक हम बनाने वाले हैं रिकन्सिलेशन में. सो 70,240 इसमें जो टी का है वो हम लोग करेंगे अभी. ऐड करने हैं सबको. 3,120 वर्क ओवर ड्यू 3,120 ऐड होगा. ऑप्शन एंड लॉसेस इन फाइनेंशियल अकाउंट 5,700 ऐड होगा. प्रोविजन फॉर इनकम टैक्स अकॉर्डिंग फाइनेंशियल अकाउंट 40,300. प्रीमियम एक्सपेंसेस 950 ऐड होगा. ओके फिर अभी हम लोग इसमें टोटल आएगा 50,070 और 1,72,400 प्लस 15,070 is 2,22,470 with less. क्या करना है? Administrative overhead over covered in the costing is 1,700. Then depreciation overhead in cost account is 1,300. Interest is recorded only in financial account is 8,750 minus opening stock overhead in cost account is 2,400. Should we minus costing stock or valued in the costing record is कितना आएगा 2,000 4. So interest charge in cost account that is 6,000. Cost account में माइनस करना कॉस्ट अकाउंट से कि फाइनेंशियल लॉस फाइंड आउट करना. सो माइनस करना आएगा 20,150 माइनस आएगा. फिर 2,22,470 माइनस 20,150 is 2,22,320 is the final answer. सो मेरे को लगता है तुम लोग को मालूम पड़ा रहेगा. और एक पार्ट में मैं आपको आगे पढ़ाऊंगा क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 एंड 4. ये सब तो सिंपलेस्ट ऑफ दिस सम. अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर आगे जाएंगे तो आगे वाले क्वेश्चन में आएंगे तो इससे भी हार्ड सम्स आ रहे हैं. सो आपको ना आप पढ़ेंगे तो ये आप उसमें मास्टरी कर सकते हो. हर दिन पढ़ना पड़ता है. मिनिमम ऑफ 1 आवर पढ़ना ही है. बैफ लिए तो मिनिमम 1 डे तो 1 आवर तो पढ़ना है और मैक्सिमम 4 आवर्स तो पढ़ना ही है. मिनिमम 1 आवर मैक्सिमम 4 आवर्स. मैक्सिमम 4 आवर्स ही देना है वो मैक्सिमम. उससे ज़्यादा देख के भी कुछ काम नहीं है, उससे कम देख के भी काम नहीं है. मिनिमम 1 आवर देना है जो इसको पास होना है. जिसको अच्छा आना है 4 आवर्स देना है. जो कुछ नहीं चाहिए तो करे ही नहीं. तो आपको ऊपर है. आपको फर्स्ट आना है या क्लास का लास्ट आना है या मिडिल में आना है, आपको ऊपर है. सो आपका डिसीजन वो मैटर करता है. तो होपफुली मैं पार्ट 2 में आपको और अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करूँगा. आप ये एक बार बेसिक्स देख लो, आपको मालूम पड़ रहा ही है. इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट इन द बैफ बैफ का कोर्स या बीकॉम का कोर्स में सब सीए इज इम्पोर्टेंट. सो ऑल द बेस्ट गाइस. लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल लर्न हिस्ट्री विद थॉमस सर. इसका नाम अभी न्यूली अभी शिफ्ट चेंज हुआ. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली नेक्स्ट टाइम लर्न विद थॉमस सर. सो लेट्स मीट इन द second part of this lecture. Thank you, my dear students.